Oui. One Jack?
Hey, still must be doing. Hider, isn't it?
Well, just you can see here though, that was the Aeropro Eurofox 912 that was anyway, just seen come over today anyway, as
Would you want this too?
So as you can see here though, that was the Aeropro Eurofox that was, we just seen come over anyway. So as you can see, talking about that was the Aeropro Eurofox we've just seen come over today anyway. But as you can see here though, because literally it's just been circling just around over by Mile Bridge and did one over by Mileage Touchdown by the looks of it, and then just from here literally it did a hover, it just literally was been just looping around over between Falmouth and Flushing sort of area, and then just then it literally almost came over to near, it literally almost came flying towards me though, as the height was literally about 11,000 feet. It was literally about 11,000 feet from here, and whereas from the distance he was about, it's probably just between 11,000 feet and 12,000 feet anyway. So yeah, and the registration we've seen today is G-EFOX. That's you can see the registration here is G-EFOX. That is. So as you can see anyway, and that's just took off. Wherever you can see here, though, that just took off from its base at Pamplef Airfield. As you can see, that's just been doing the circuit over Pamplef Airfield. As you can tell, it's just been out doing the circuit over at Pamplef Airfield. It's literally, I think it took off probably around 12, I believe, because just then it literally came here to do lessons anyway. So yeah, as you can see, it's just been circling, it's just been looping around just over South Cornwall today apparently. Where I am today, it's been just circling around over. So yeah, if I go to Flyway, it should be on there. No, Flyway 24 doesn't have it. It's showing that Flyway 24 doesn't have it on there, because I know Plane Friday has got it though, and ADXB have got it as well anyway. Which hopefully it should be heading back to its base at Pamplef Airfield very soon, hopefully. We should be heading back to its base hopefully there very soon, hopefully. So yeah, hopefully it should be heading back to its base at Pamplef Airfield very soon, hopefully. Okay, so, yep, thanks for watching, bye bye.